Hi folks, I'm Big Bert. Welcome to the channel. On tonight's episode we are going to go for a boat cruise on the Gordon River Cruise. I can't speak highly enough of that. Anybody that ever wanted to do a wilderness type tour with a difference and a lazy man's way of doing it, just sit back on the boat, eat, drink and be merry and take in the views. It's quite majestic. So grab a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show. Cheers.
Cruise ship. This is the Spirit of the Wild. My name's Ben. It's a pleasure to have you aboard. Take you out across the Macquarie Harbour and up the pristine Gordon River into the Tasmanian World Heritage Wilderness Area. We depart daily from Strahan at 8:30 and the trip will return sometime between 2:30 and 3 o'clock. And terribly sorry I have a history of being late on such a nice day. It's probably going to be closer to 3 o'clock.
There's the Abbotts railway station there as we leave Strahan. Very big cap.
So welcome on board the Spirit of the Wild. We're off on our way, a 6-hour journey around the Macquarie Harbour and up the Gordon River for the day. The boat is 3 years old, just last month in March. It was launched in 2018, built right here in Tasmania by Richardson Devine Marine, and they've done a pretty darn good job. The boat was an expensive project, around $9 million, but what we've got for our money is a cutting edge piece of equipment. I'm sure you can see all the electronics and control, and believe it or not, I'm flat out at the moment driving the boat, but the computers are very, very handy. The boat is a 33.3 metre catamaran. It's made out of aluminium. And we boast the first of a drive system which is a hybrid between electric and diesel. So we can go fast, our current speed 24.1, we cruise at about 24, 25 knots. When we slow down, as you have to do when you go up this beautiful river that has pristine rainforest growing right down to the edge of the water, we don't want to make waves and wash out the edges of the river, so we slow down. And when we do slow down, we turn off the noisy diesel engines that help us go so fast, and we have an electric system driven by one small generator. It's very, very quiet. We call it our quiet drive system. We can turn off the main engines, the vibrations go away, and we can cruise up the river, and it reduces our fuel consumption considerably. I'm very proud to say that our total fuel burn cruising up the river at 7 knots, which is making no wash, is 38 litres an hour. Not bad, considering there is 150 passengers on board today, and the boat weighs a staggering 130 tonnes with all that people, water and fuel on board. The other special part of the boat is the premium upper deck, which we're very proud. You can spend a little bit more money. It's a bit like flying business class in an aeroplane. We have lovely leather seats which recline, they turn and they face the windows, so you can get the great view. The windows are from the ceiling to the floor, so that you can get the full spectrum, right down to a sound absorbent cushion in the roof. It's a little bit special, and everything's included for the day. A little bit of Tasmanian wine, a little bit of Tasmanian salmon from this farm that we're about to visit right here for a quick look. And if you like the trout instead of the salmon, you can get that as well on the premium upper deck from the farm along the way. A little bit special, but well worth it. And I hope to see you on board again sometime soon. Thank you.
Well regarded as the best boat building timber for that reason. He's so pleased to run on it.
Just talking about this one here, that's a Hilda Pine.
Pine is in the corner.
So we're on the walk from the boat in this forest, human pine, dogwood, wattle. It's amazing how dense it is here. Quickly got dark. It's raining above us, but because none of it's getting through. Other than doing a cattle car raid, I guess, off the boat, it's beautiful here, beautiful. Amazing how dense and how quickly it got dark. Back to the boat. Hang there.
You probably knew that already. There's a wild story about Sarah Island. So I want to start your native video and call it Overseer.
Okay, so thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed that. Must be time for beer. Let's go.